Welcome back to Moter Insight. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Yamaha XSR 155, a motorcycle that merges retro-inspired design with Yamaha's proven performance technology. This bike sits in Yamaha's Sport Heritage lineup, carrying the DNA of classic motorcycles while staying practical and modern for everyday riders. Design and styling. The XSR 155's design is where it truly shines. Yamaha has kept the authentic neo-retro look intact with a round LED headlight, a sculpted teardrop fuel tank, and a clean, minimalist tail section. The flat seat is wrapped in high-quality material, blending old-school looks with modern comfort. Details such as aluminum brackets, heritage-style paint finishes, and exposed frame lines emphasize the bike's timeless personality. Despite its retro cues, you'll notice modern touches like the compact LED taillight, LED indicators, and a sharp digital LCD display, which give the bike a balanced mix of past and present. Engine and performance. At its heart is a 155 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine with variable valve actuation, a technology that optimizes power delivery across different RPMs, producing around 19 horsepower and paired with a 6-speed gearbox. The XSR 155 is lively enough for spirited urban rides while still fuel-efficient. The addition of an assist and slipper clutch makes downshifting smooth, reduces fatigue in traffic, and adds a premium touch to the riding experience. Yamaha has designed this engine to be both reliable and efficient, perfect for riders who want performance without sacrificing economy. Comfort and ergonomics. When it comes to comfort, the upright riding position makes this bike ideal for city commutes and weekend leisure rides. The wide handlebars provide good control, while the seat height remains accessible to a wide range of riders, boosting confidence. Suspension is handled by upside-down front forks and a monoshock at the rear. Together, they deliver stable handling and a comfortable ride even over uneven city roads or light countryside paths. It's a setup that makes the bike versatile for both beginners and experienced riders. Features and technology. The XSR 155 doesn't just rely on style, it brings useful features as well. The digital instrument cluster offers clear information, including speed, fuel, gear position, and trip data. The Delta box frame adds rigidity for better cornering stability, while the lightweight build makes the bike easy to maneuver in traffic. Its dual-purpose tires provide enough grip for both city streets and occasional rough patches, highlighting its flexibility as a daily motorcycle with adventure flair. LED lighting across the bike improves safety, visibility, and durability. Price and value. Yamaha positions the XSR 155 as an affordable entry into the Sport Heritage family. It's designed for riders who admire the look of larger retro machines like the XSR 700 or XSR 900 but want something lightweight and budget-friendly. In terms of value, it delivers a great balance of style, technology, and practicality. Final thoughts. The 2026 Yamaha XSR 155 is more than just a small displacement bike. It's a statement of style, offering retro charm without compromising modern convenience. With its reliable engine, approachable ergonomics, and timeless design, it's a bike that appeals equally to young riders entering the motorcycling world and enthusiasts who want a compact yet stylish ride. That wraps up our review of the 2026 Yamaha XSR 155. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, share it with fellow riders, and subscribe to Moter Insight for more reviews on the latest bikes and cars. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.